Hello and welcome. Today we are going to show you how to bend Woodolex skirting and fit it to a curved wall. With the right tools and techniques, this process is simple and effective, and you will achieve a professional-looking result in no time. Let us get started. What you will need skirting made of Woodolex, which you can purchase on our website. If you need a custom profile, you can machine plain Woodolex using a spindle molder, router, or a CNC machine. A suitable adhesive that works with wood and the wall surface, such as grip fill, silicone, or no more nails adhesive. A screwdriver and screws for extra security. Standard and electric heat gun is available at most local hardware stores. We will start with the straight section of the wall before moving to the curved area, but you can begin wherever it works best for you. Apply adhesive to the back of the skirting. I am using mitre adhesive combined with grip fill for a strong bond. If your wall surface is very smooth, consider using temporary fixtures to hold the skirting while the adhesive sets. Now, let us move on to the curved area. Slowly heat the section of the Woodolex skirting you plan to bend. Keep the heat gun about 15 centimeters away from the skirting to avoid burns. It may take slightly longer to heat if you're working with a thicker or taller skirting profile. But you can follow the same procedure and take your time. Keep heating until the Woodolex skirting becomes soft and flexible. When it is ready, you will feel it bend easily without any force. Be patient and careful to avoid overheating or burning the material. Remember to always keep the adhesive away from heat. Once the skirting is flexible, carefully bend it along the curve of your wall. There is no need to rush. If the material cools down before you are done, simply reheat it and continue bending. After fitting the skirting to the first curve, repeat the process for the next section. Apply adhesive and heat the material as needed, following the same steps. This process works for both internal and external curves. Take it step by step to ensure a precise fit. If you feel the adhesive is not strong enough to hold the skirting securely, you can add screws for extra stability, especially on tighter curves or smoother surfaces. Once your skirting is in place, you are ready to paint and decorate. Woodolex works seamlessly with all types of wood paints, allowing you to achieve the perfect finish for your interior. Remember, always follow any health and safety procedures and maintain a safe working environment. And that is it. Bending Woodolex skirting for curved walls is straightforward when you follow these steps. Thank you so much for watching. For more tips, tricks and tutorials, be sure to visit our website and subscribe to our channel. We hope you enjoy using Woodolex to transform your space. Explore Woodolex, the world's most flexible wooden board. Visit www.woodolex.com